Good morning. Good morning, students. Today we discuss eddy current. Going to this class, we will discuss in previous class, that is motional EMF. Okay, what is the motional EMF? What is the induced EMF? Okay, suppose initially we can take one rod or one tube. It can be bent in U shape. It can keep in a strong magnetic field, that is uniform magnetic field. You can take one copper rod, that is PQ. The arrangement is shown in the figure. We can form a PQRS is the closed loop. Okay, the rod can be moved towards left side. The pressure will be formed and the area will be increases. The flux will be changes. Area is depends upon according to formula pi is equal to BA. That is flux is depends upon area. Area changes, flux changes, and also flux changes. The induced EMF also changes. That is motional EMF. Electrical and mechanical energy is BLV. Okay, and also you can prove the copper rod having number of charge carriers that can be moved from P to Q. We can have some work done. The work done, mechanical work converted into electrical energy. We can prove the relation, power relation, that is electrical power and mechanical power. That is electrical and mechanical power is equal to B square L square V square by R. That is electrical energy converted into mechanical energy. That is mechanical energy converted into thermal energy, thermal or electrical energy. The relation between we can derive from the relation between the charge carriers and flux. According to Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R, that is equal to E by R. Okay, that is E is equal to IR. I is equal to rate of change of time, that is dou Q by dou T into R. From this equation, del pi by del T is del Q by del T into R. Del T cancel, that means dou pi is equal to dou Q by R. Dou Q is equal to del pi by R. That is the relation between the del pi is proportional to the del Q, or del pi is proportional to the del Q. That is the relation between the charge carriers and flux. That is flux is depends upon number of charge carriers. That is copper rod having suppose 20, 50, 30 number of charge carriers, we get 2. That is number of flux is depends upon number of charge carriers. Suppose we can next go to eddy current. Okay, eddy current. What is the eddy current? Job of eddy current. Okay, we can remove the heat loss. We can reducing the loss. How to reducing the loss? Okay, we can choose it. What is the eddy current? Eddy current is a not induced current. Okay, it is a one kind of current. It is depends upon electromagnetic induction. This is a phenomena of electromagnetic induction. Okay, what is electromagnetic induction? You know the relation between the electric field and magnetic field. Suppose you can take coil, the current is passing through the coil, it can be producing the magnetic field, or the magnet towards the coil, the flux will be changes, induced EMF, the current will be induced. The induced current IC, induced current, this type of current is not eddy current. Okay, eddy current is a one kind of current. It is a circulating current. Suppose we can take one copper plate. The copper plate is keep in a motional external magnetic field. It can be keep motional external magnetic field. Copper plate having number of electrons. These electrons circulating. It is circulating. Electrons are circulating, and it gives some current. This type of circulating current is also known as eddy current. That was the electrons is there in the without presence of magnetic field. It can be like this. In the presence of external magnetic field, the electrons are rotate or circulating. It gives the current. This type of current is called eddy current. Circulating current is called eddy current. Okay, next, what is the job of eddy current? Suppose you can take like this. The arrangement is you can take one simple pendulum. The simple pendulum oscillate the copper plate attached with one string. It can be oscillate number of oscillations. Suppose in the presence of absence of magnetic field, time is 10 seconds. That is, it comes to rest position, come to zero position, mean position. That will time taken is 10 seconds in the absence of magnetic field. Suppose we can apply the magnetic field, the presence of magnetic field, the time is 5 seconds. That means it can be reducing the number of oscillations. This type of current also called eddy current. That is due to damping. Damping means the oscillations, number of oscillations will be decreases. That is due to eddy current. What is happening to the okay? According to Lenz law, in a coil, the north pole is towards the coil. One of the end of the coil act as a north pole. That means current will be increases like this. The current will be increases. The north pole towards the coil, the current will be increases. That means current direction is clockwise direction. Suppose the magnet is away from the coil, it can be south pole. That means current will be decreases. In the case of this phenomena, this is one case. That is north pole is towards the coil. That is north pole. It can be repulsion. Okay, repulsion force is there. That means this is a work done. Without north pole is repulsion is there, but we want to move external apply the external force. There will be work done, that is mechanical energy converted to electrical energy. Say this phenomena, these two cases will be appear in this case. Suppose this is rod, this is magnetic lines of forces. Here one in copper rod, one end is act as a north pole, north south. That is the north is repulsion. The current will be increases. That means this direction. That means like this. Current will be increases when the copper plate is at north pole. Okay, that was the copper plate is come to the north pole. The copper plate act as a north pole. The current will be increases. The flux will be increases. That is, suppose initially the flux is equal to 0. At this case, pi is equal to 5. Flux will be changes. Time will be changes. Flux will be changes. Okay, and also away from the south pole, it is current will be decreases. That is north pole. South pole. current will be decreases, current is decreases, here current is increases. Okay, it is same. This is in this case according to the Lenz law, this will be appear in the this is. Suppose we can reducing the loss, suppose we can replace the this plate, we can changing the other plate, area will be decreasing. We want decreasing the heat loss, that is area will be decreases. Area decreases means what is the relation? R is equal to rho L by A. Area decreases, resistance is increases. What is the power relation? P is equal to I square R. Resistance is decreases, current is increases, power according to the situation, current resistance is increases, current is decreases, power is decreases. Power decreases means power loss, okay, or heat loss. The heat can be losses, that is depends upon area. Suppose this is A1 is greater than A2, that means area will be reduced, the power loss will be appear, that means flux will be changes, resistance will be changes, everything will be changes, that is depends upon area. The flux will be depends upon according to formula pi is equal to AB. Pi is equal to AB, that means flux is depends upon area of the material. In previous case can be completed according to Faraday. Okay, what is the power relation? P is equal to I square R. Next R is equal to rho L by R, that is area is decreases, resistance is increases. Resistance increases means current decreases, power decreases, that is loss of the power, that is heat can be reduced. Okay, next use of, what is the uses of eddy current? Okay, next number 1, the magnetic braking in the train. The train having there is string is there, that is wheel, it can be rotating the wheel, it can be reducing the current, that is it can form a eddy current. Current is increases. Circulating current means that is eddy current. Next, electromagnetic damping, that is galvanometer. Galvanometer show the deflections decreasing or increasing, it is depends upon circulating. Every circulating is called eddy current, it gives the eddy current. Next, induction furnace. We can prepare the number of materials, alkaline materials, we can form a eddy current, it is in the form of eddy current. Furnace constant current, we can reverse current, circulating current. We can prepare the alloys and metals and mixed alkalis like this. Next, another one is electrical power meter. Electrical power means in home some meter is there, in disc is there, it can be disc rotating, that is eddy current. Okay, you can choose the reading is there, you can can take some 10 or 20 sessions. Okay, the reading will be appear in the right side, that is electrical meter. The in home the disc is there inside, that is a eddy current. Okay, thank you one and all.